Monster High movie. 11, I meant. Yeah, 11. Action. Schools, thank you so much for taking me to the mall. There's a great view of, well, outside. Hey, look! My neighbors! Right there. And Caitlin and Ava's house. Right there. My pool. And, well, my trees. Who was saying that? I have no idea. Go and start shopping. Claudine, stop falling. I can't. Frankie, how about you, get a fit for your 3rd birthday. It's gonna be your best birthday so far. You know what? I will. Check this out, stock. It's ugly. Frankie, how about we wear this? Ow. Okay, I'm gonna see how I look. Stick that on. Hang on. I am doing something. I don't know why I'm saying what I'm doing. Because I don't know. Because my brother's an idiot. Yay! I do not look good. Well, I look good in that, but I don't want to wear it to my 3rd birthday. The dress of my dreams.